Hello friends, how are all of you? I hope all of you must be doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to talk on a topic which is titled Lake School of Poets. First I will give a brief introduction, then origin, historical context, features, major poets and then extra points. The Lake School of Poets refers to the group of early Romantic poets who used to live in or were closely associated with the Lake District of northwestern England during late 18th and early 19th century. They shared similar ideas or beliefs on imagination, rural life, emotions, feelings, and nature, but they were never an organized literary movement. The three major Lake School of Poets are William Wordsworth, Taylor Coleridge, and Robert Southey. Now, the next segment is origin. The term Lake Poets was introduced by Francis Jeffrey in 1807 in Edinburgh Review. The term was used as a derogatory label because of many reasons, such as they focused excessively on ordinary rural life, used simple language, idolized nature and emotions, and they rejected the rules of 18th century neoclassical poetry. The term was introduced as a mocking or dismissive name calling, but over the time the name lost its negative connotation and became the accepted literary term. The next part is historical context. The Lake School of Poets emerged during the Romantic Age. This age saw several political and social changes such as French Revolution, Industrial Revolution, scientific and technological progress. So these developments caused several writers to stay away from industrial society and take deep interest in nature, imagination, emotions, and individual freedom. Now, the next segment is characteristics or features. Nature is the main subject. These poets believed that nature shapes human character. They believed in using the real language of ordinary men. According to them, the language of poetry should be everyday simple language. Natural style and common vocabulary should be in use. They dismissed the artificial and decorative language style of 18th century period. These poets wrote about farmers, shepherds, villagers, and rural life. They refused to write about kings and nobles. They believed that ordinary people are the ones who possesses real emotions and wisdom. They emphasized more on emotions rather than on reason. The emotions or feelings are a defining feature of Romantic period poetry. Imagination was regarded as a greater creative power which was capable of exposing deeper truths. The next point is that these poets believed that human beings become morally better when they engage with nature. For them, nature is not just a physical scenery, as they believed that divine spirits do exist in nature. Solitude, meditation, and innocence of childhood are also major themes highlighted in their works. Now, the major poets, and they are first one is William Wordsworth. Wordsworth transformed English poetry by making ordinary life and nature suitable for serious literature readers. The major subjects in his works are memory, rural life, childhood, simplicity, and human dignity. And his famous works are lyrical ballads, The Prelude, Dinton Abbey, and Ode, Intimations of Immortality. The second major poet is S.T. Coleridge. Coleridge highlighted themes such as imagination, supernatural elements, and philosophy in his works. The subjects of his poems were dreams, mystery, psychological depth, and symbolism. And some of his famous works are Kubla Khan, Christabel, and Biographia Literaria. The third most famous poet is Robert Southey. He was highly respected during his lifetime and became a poet laureate in 1813. The major subjects and works in his works are historical themes, epic narratives, religious topics, and national history. And some of his famous works are Thalaba the Destroyer, The Curse of Kahama, and The Roderick, The Last of the Goths. Now some extra points. Lake poets began the Romantic movement in British English poetry. They elevated the topics such as spiritual insight and wisdom in English poetry. They heavily promoted imagination and emotion in their works and dismissed reason. They influenced late Romantic poets such as P.B. Shelley, John Keats, and Lord Byron. So, yes, here ends the video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and have a good day.